Let's dive into Shinjuku, Tokyo's vibrant playground known for its neon lights and bustling streets. If you're looking to experience Tokyo's electrifying nightlife and dynamic city vibe, Shinjuku is where the action's at. You're in the heart of one of Tokyo's busiest districts, where towering skyscrapers, neon lights, and bustling streets create a dazzling urban landscape. Shinjuku is a city within a city, blending modernity with a touch of traditional charm. Here is a fun fact to get your conversations going. Shinjuku is home to the world's busiest train station, Shinjuku Station, which handles over 3.5 million passengers a day. That's a lot of foot traffic. Navigating through the station's maze-like corridors can be an adventure in itself. As you explore Shinjuku, you'll discover a mix of high-end shopping, eclectic dining, and a vibrant nightlife. Take a stroll through the dazzling Kabukicho district, Tokyo's famous entertainment area. It's packed with neon-lit signs, karaoke bars, and themed restaurants. Just be sure to keep an eye out for the giant Godzilla head atop one of the buildings, an iconic photo. For a bit of tranquility amidst the chaos, visit Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden. This beautiful park offers a serene escape with its sprawling lawns, traditional tea houses, and seasonal flower displays. It's a perfect spot for a relaxing stroll or a peaceful picnic. And here is a tip for a unique experience. Head to Omoide Yokosho, also known as Memory Lane, for a taste of Tokyo's old world charm. This narrow alleyway is lined with tiny eateries serving up delicious yakitori and other local delights. It's a great way to soak up the authentic Tokyo vibe. And if you're into nightlife, do not miss a chance to visit some of Shinjuku's famous bars and clubs, from rooftop bars with stunning city views to lively izakayas. There's something for everyone. So whether you're here to marvel at the neon lights, explore the bustling streets, or just enjoy the lively atmosphere, Shinjuku offers an unforgettable Tokyo experience. Snap some photos of the neon wonderland and tag us at Pocket Explorer. Au revoir and keep exploring.